Hi, my name is Mike Summers from Jim the Shoe Doctor in Eugene, Oregon. And today we're going to be talking about cleaning and protecting suede shoes. This shoe is almost a full suede shoe. It's a little low in the nap for a full suede. So with a shoe like this, what you want to do to begin with is to never wear a suede shoe before you put a protectant on it. So you always want to make sure that you're using, a water and stain protector on any suede before you wear it. It makes cleaning them afterwards so much easier. They won't stain nearly as badly. They'll clean up much, much better. So after you've worn them and they became soiled, what you'll want to do with a full suede is to use a fairly soft, in terms of suede brushes, fairly soft brush. This is a nylon brush, and this brush does great for full suedes. It gets in and picks up that nap. And with suedes, you can pretty much, you want to go in pretty much any direction because you want to try and pull all that nap up and making sure that you actually get in there and clean it out. Now you can go with a brass brush. This is a little stiffer brush. This gets into a little bit better. And for lower suedes, this does a great job. With most of these suedes that are colored, like blacks, that sort of thing, browns, blues, they make a product called Suede Renew. Now this is an actual dye. It's a light dye, and it also has a water protectant built into it also. So this, you would actually, once you've got a shoe clean, you would take and just spray the shoe. And then once that has dried, you would rebrush it, or you can leave it just like that. But that would be for a full suede. This would be a great example of a shoe that you would never want to wear before treating it. You would want to definitely treat this shoe before you ever wore it, because once this becomes stained, it's going to be a real problem to clean. Now, once a shoe like this has been worn and worn and worn, and it glosses over and it almost becomes a smooth leather. But it's actually, this is what it's called a nubuck suede. You can move that finish back and forth and change the appearance a little bit. So with one of these, you actually want to use a suede block. This is a stain remover. And these, you actually rub pretty hard on these. And this actually wears the block out rather than destroying the suede. For a super stubborn stain that would be in a suede, you can use a light grit sandpaper. You want to avoid using this if at all possible. These work pretty good though. They work pretty quick. This. And if you can't find the suede blocks, this is a good alternative. It does a great job of just getting that gloss off there. And once you've deglossed it, you can take your suede brush and then just rebrush it. And once you've got the entire shoe clean, you'd want to take and retreat it with a stain protector. And every time that you clean them, you want to retreat them. And that's how you would clean and protect suede, whether it be a full suede or a nubuck or a brand new shoe.